In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your template on Brevo. This will be your go-to guide for making any necessary changes to your templates efficiently and effectively, whether they're for a marketing campaign or any other purpose. First and foremost, you're going to want to head over to the Brevo website. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter app.brevo.com into the address bar. Once there, sign into your account if you haven't already to get started with your template editing. Now that you're on the Brevo homepage, look for the Marketing option. This is typically found in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Marketing will expand a drop-down menu with various options to help manage your campaigns. This is where you really start to dive into the array of tools Brevo offers for creative customization. Next, locate and click on Templates. This will take you to a list of all your existing templates. Think of this section as your personal library, where you can quickly scan and select from the templates you've already created. Once you find the template you want to edit, you'll see an Edit icon next to it. Click this icon to open the template in editing mode. This is where you can start making changes to text, images, and layout to better match your current needs. Brevo's drag-and-drop editor makes editing simple and intuitive. When the template opens, click on Edit Content to access the full editing interface. From here, you can update text, replace images, adjust layouts, or completely redesign sections as needed. Take your time and make sure everything aligns with your goals. Pay close attention to details during this step, as they play a key role in the effectiveness and professionalism of your communication. When you're finished editing, you can choose to quit without saving if you don't want to keep the changes. If you're happy with the final result, make sure to save your work before exiting. This ensures your updated template is ready to use for future campaigns. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to edit a template in Brevo. With these simple steps, you can keep your marketing materials fresh, relevant, and exactly the way you want them. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!